Welcome, sports fans. Welcome back to another episode. I'm your host, Joe Mar.
I'm Rush.
And this is This or That Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the best, most riveting, and interesting sports discussions on the internet.
Let's switch gears real quick. Let's talk about the lineup. So let me get the squad builder up on the screen.
Yeah.
And let's put together like you want us to both contribute to the lineup or give individual lineups.
No, I think we can work together, put our heads together and build a lineup.
Alright. Yeah, man, we can do that, man. You see my screen?
Yeah, man.
Alright. So let's start with the goalkeeper.
Alright, so
both of us would agree on this one, but the people, I know that they have their reservations with the person that we're going to pick. So let's go.
But and the thing is, guys, if I was predicting the lineup that I think Paul Hall would have put out there, I honestly think that Dwayne Miller would have garnered the number one shirt for this trip. However, Dwayne Miller will not make the trip, and he will probably not be available for any of these World Cup qualifiers, right? So I think that gives this guy a chance to not only get in to start for this game, but to also get a jersey for the upcoming World Cup qualifiers. Do you think that's a possibility?
So we're still going to give him a name.
I'm all night. That's our goalkeeper right now. And I think I've seen some pictures. I see Jaden White in number 23 shirt, number 23 shirt in Peru. Curious to see what shirt I'm all night is
number one. Right, so we have what formation are we working with? I want to work with a 4-3-3. I don't know what you want to work with. A 4-2-3-1. You want a 10 or you want just a flat 3? Where you want?
I want to use the 10. I want to use the 10 this time.
So you want to go 4-2-3-1?
Because there's some attacking midfielders that I want to see. Yeah.
Alright. So you want to go with this?
Wait, hold it there. You literally can't see them 3 man there in the middle here. If you tell me what them stake, I remember say the tripod. The tripod, I block it.
Yeah, man. So we have a cam and then we have a double pivot. And then it's a 4-2-3-1. Right?
Alright, so, start recording. Ready again.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So alright, so let's start from left back and go across the field. We have a
Alright. Well, I think thank God for this. We managed to get our best left back to agree to come to this match. So left back to start, I think it should be easy. I do not want to see him play more than 30 to 45 minutes, however, though. I can tell you that, and that's Kemar Lawrence.
Lawrence?
You agree, right?
Yeah, man. I have Kemar Lawrence in my starting lineup too.
Unequivocally.
Yeah, and man. Then, that explains itself.
And then Low, and who is your other centre back? Because I think we both have Low.
Yeah, we have Low, but for the other centre back, I have Jamaica Tope. He's
me too.
Big physical. I think he can pose a challenge to the Peru guys.
And not only big and physical, posing a challenge to the Peru guys. King is a good shot, but Jamaica Tope is a youngster, and he is going to be. Jamaica Tope is going to be a central defender in the Jamaica football program for the next 10 years. I guarantee you that he will play 50 games for Jamaica. So because he has that potential to be integrated into our system so well, or because he will be integrated into our system sooner or later, every chance that I think we get a chance to give him a chance, if that makes sense, we should give him a chance. So, right. Jamaica Tope, for sure.
Right. So, speaking of mainstays for the future, this guy, Javier Brown, I think he will definitely play 50 games for Jamaica.
Yeah, for sure.
We have as a right back.
Yeah, Javier Brown is my right back. And the only way I see him being dispossessed is Max Aarons. Max Aarons come play for Jamaica. But
do you think Alvas can take back in spot?
I'm a big fan of Alvas Paul, and I think Alvas Paul puts in the work. Alvas Paul. Keep in mind, Alvas Paul is not even 30 yet. Right? Alvas Paul still has
supposed to be in his prime. He's supposed to be in his prime. I think 28 or something.
Yeah, 28. So he just got another contract. He's going to Cincinnati. Still in the MLS, still going to play some football. So,
the alpha man is Javier Brown, though.
Yeah, Javier Brown is the guy right now. And Javier Brown is he's good in MLS. He had a good season. His team loves him. So I think between Javier Brown and Alvas Paul, the battle will be on for the right back spot for the rest of this campaign and Nations League, Gold Cup, so on and so forth. But for this team right now, Javi and Brown for sure.
What are you using? Two defensive midfielders are a 6 and an 8.
Yeah, so I'm going to use a 6 and an 8.
So who's a 6?
So I'm going to use Lambert.
I would say Javon Watson, but I work with Lambert. I don't have
I'm going to use Lambert and Devon Williams as my 8.
Alright. I was going to say Javon Watson, but I don't think I have an argument for a 30-plus-year-old versus a young professional right now.
Yeah, and I've seen all that I need to see from Javon Watson. You know, Lambert. Yeah. Remember, Anthony Grant is an old man, right? Jamaica at the number 6 position is still our biggest weakness. Yes, Anthony the Judge Grant is one of our most outstanding players, but he is our central defensive midfield, him alone. So I think the more we can give other people opportunities and look-ins, take that chance. Kevin Lambert, one for the future. Right?
I agree. I've seen enough from Javon Watson also, so I agree with that point.
And who you have for top link?
For the top link, I had who did you put on the line? I think I had Lamar Walker. Who you have?
Kaim Paris. Yeah.
I think Lamar Walker will start over Paris just because he's already in the squad. He's in and around the squad. He's more of a main part of the squad. I give him another chance. Give the guy another chance.
In my opinion, I just think Kaim Paris is just a better player, and Kaim Paris should have been given the opportunity that Lamar Walker has been given. But I hear that one still.
Right? You agree that Lamar Walker is ahead of him in the system because Lamar Walker started the last game for Jamaica.
For all that was worth.
He's ahead of him. So give him another chance. Let's see where him have. Obviously, both guys are going to play, but we can start with Lamar Walker.
All right. I agree with that one there.
All right. And let's go left wing.
The top 3.
Who you have?
So you want me go? So Corey Burke will not be coming, by the way. Cited personal issues. I guess. Oh, you know who was a good shot for the top link to bro? Peter Lee Vassell.
Peter Lee Vassell. That's what I say if you want to go Peter, but. Lamar Walker, I have no problem with giving Lamar Walker a chance against.
I would go Peter Lee Vassell at top link and go Lamar Walker on the left flank.
On the wing. And then some of the other guys are going to get pushed out, like Atkinson and some of those guys that want to have in the attack.
But would you start them though if we're making our best possible starting line?
I would start doing Atkinson on one of those wings. Remember, we have all of these guys are inexperienced when we talk about Jamaican football. We have Jordan Fletcher to board. Let me see where you guys are front three and then we can freestyle it.
All right, so as I said, I would put Peter Lee Vassell to play the cam, and then I would have Lamar Walker on one side, and I would go with Jordan Fletcher and Dwayne Atkinson.
Jordan Fletcher is striker, and Dwayne Atkinson as the midfielder. Fair enough. Walker still on the field, still in and around the midfield. So.
Yeah, so that's what I would do. Because to be honest, I do think Lamar Walker offers more for Jamaica when he plays on the flank. I remember when Lamar Walker made his debut for Jamaica, a game against Nicaragua, I think. He was very good for them that game, but the pressure that he's been put under to play big minutes as a pivotal player at number 10 for Jamaica, I just don't think he's good enough for that yet. So don't get me wrong, Lamar Walker is a promising young baller, but I don't think he's at that level yet,
Right. And yes guys, this is our squad. So we have Amal Knight in goal, we have Kemal Lawrence, Damian Lowe, Jamal Tope, and Javane Brown as our back 4. Then we have Devon Speedy Williams in the midfield, partnering Kevin Lambert. Then we have Peter Lee Vassell on top of that midfield. Lamar Walker as the left winger, Jordan Fletcher as the striker, and Dwayne Busy Atkinson as the right winger. Our either wings can.
Yeah.
So I think this is a good enough lineup to at least start the game well. I don't know if my 1-1 this is good enough for my 1-1, but good enough to start the game and cause a fight in the first 30 minutes or so.
For sure.
So that's it. Let me take down this squad and then we just read it out and close it out.
Yeah, man. So, as I said, bro, good lineup. You love to see young players getting an opportunity. I love the initiative by the JFF to get us such a good friendly. I love the fact that Paul Hall gets to, show us what he has in store for the program. Because keep in mind, it transcends World Cup qualifiers. There's Nations League, there's World Cups, there is 2026 World Cup qualifiers, right? So this gives me a peek of what is to come.
All right.
Thank you so much for the continued support. Please like, share, and subscribe. And when we talk about share, you guys know what I mean. I mean, guys, if each one of you guys can get 5 subscribers for our channel, do you guys know how many subscribers that would bring us by the end of the day? So here are the guys, when this is posted, watch it, comment, go to work. 5 subscribers, each person. Anything else, Officer Rush?
No, man. This is Inside That Sports TV.
And we're out.
Mad thing. Now watch the Arsenal game, dog.
Where did I say about before? The carry that I talk about?
What?
You did say you come match before the match start. Where you talk about?
No, this one I talk about.
Oh, yeah.
Start, you need to go watch this, because I feel like we are going to mash up Liverpool.
Go in there. Put it up, yes.